Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm about to lead an ornament workshop and the theme is birds and trees. These are the shapes that I could find when I went to the craft store. Trees and balls. There were a lot of other shapes, but there were no birds at the craft store. And this is the thickness I like, a thickness that does not have any flex to it. It is just the right size to get a little bit of detail in there. But what I'm going to do is do a demonstration on the ball of how you can make a bird mosaic, and I'm going to do a cardinal. So the things that I need are my base with a cardinal drawn on it, a little frit ball for the eye, ball chain to go around the edge, E6000 to put the ball chain around the edge, and a selection of glass. So for the cardinal itself, I need a little bit of black for around the eye and maybe the feet. Then I need red, of course. And I have two different reds because I want one red for the body and the head, and I need another red for the wing. So this is the iridized red that I chose for the wing, and then the rest of this will be for the rest of the bird. And then in the background, I will be putting mirror, which will make a nice flashy little ornament. So here I go. Oh yes, and I will be using Weld Bond for most of the glass, just not the edgy, because Weld Bond's my favorite, and I like to put it in these Wilton icing bottles, so it's easy to dispense. I wanted to make this was just to see how long it would take me so that I have an idea in the workshop. So to piece this whole thing took me 1 hour after I had all the materials in front of me. I did have to go and get some brown glass, and I had to get the wire cutters to cut the ball chain, just a few things. But anyway, that just gave me a better idea of what I'll need to bring so I don't forget some of those extraneous things. That's it. The Mosaic Ornament Workshop was held for the Atlanta Glass Art Guild because they are all making ornaments of different types, fused, stained glass, and mosaic glass ornaments for a Christmas tree. And that is why we had the theme of birds and trees, so that everyone would have the same theme for our Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree is going to be at the Festival of Trees in the city of Atlanta, which is a charity event where they take a bunch of different trees and auction them off And the proceeds go to Wellspring Living, which is another Atlanta nonprofit that provides domestic sex trafficking victims and those at risk with specialized recovery services through residential and community-based programs. And they help with all kinds of stuff like therapeutic services, education, life skills, professional development. So it's a really good organization. But in addition to that, the Atlanta Glass Art Guild has received a grant from Thrivent for $250 to purchase the tree skirt, and an extension cord. So here are a bunch of people from the Atlanta Glass Art Guild making different ornaments, and I apologize for the footage that it's not very great and it's a little bit shaky, but we made quite a few ornaments. And then when we were finished with the workshop, we had some leftover bases, and so I brought them to my class, explained all of the different nonprofits involved, and a bunch of my students decided to make ornaments and donate them as well. So I'm going to include them at the end of this. I volunteered to grout all of the mosaic ornaments made by the Guild, and then the ones that my students made, fortunately, they were able to grout those. And then we put them all together in the end, and they all end up in the same place. Here are the ornaments from the Guild meeting that I grouted and the ones that I made. You can see that the backs of them got a little bit dirty from grouting. I didn't tape anything off, so I'm going to have to paint the edges and the backs just to clean them up. Fortunately, my students were able to grout their own, which was a huge time saver and a fantastic help to me. Much less work on my part. These are the ornaments from the Guild meeting and 2 of my classes, and I have another class coming this afternoon, and more people will bring some ornaments for that. So what I've been doing is they've been grouting them, and then I've been painting the edges and the backs just to clean them up so that they're kind of all the same too, with dark grout and black edges and back. Look how many there are. It's looking fabulous. When we were finished making all of our ornaments, they were delivered to the Glass Guild meeting, and you can see some of the other ones that were made by other members that did glass fusing and stained glass. Just a nice variety of birds and trees in all different glass arts. Yay! Finally, the Georgia Festival of Trees Day has arrived. I'm going to go see it. It's about 7 days long. They take off for Thanksgiving and the day before. It's at the Georgia World Congress Center. And let me show you what they've got. You can even see, this is our tree right in the front corner. Oh my gosh. Look at all the beautiful ornaments. So this is all one big auction for charity. All of these trees are up for auction. Then they have wreaths, they have gingerbread houses, they have centerpieces. All of it is going to benefit charity, and it is available online at gafestivalofTrees.org. Just until the end of the festival, and then people come and pick them up, and that's that. All right, enough of this glass art tree. I'm gonna go check out some of the other trees now. This is a patriotic one with an eagle at the top and some flags, and then Navy, and God Bless America, and Army. I'm sure they have all of them on here. Nice, red, white, and blue. This one is called Jingle Braille Rock. Look, with Braille ornaments. Isn't that neat? This one is Peacock and a Fir Tree. This one is Wizard of Oz. It's got puppies, it's got the balloon. Yikes. This one's called When Heaven and Nature Sing. Look at that felted bunny. And the birds. How clever. I like that bird. Nice. Here's the wreath section. I like how they put these doors up to hang the wreaths on. Oh, look, they have them on both sides of the doors. Beautiful. Great shop. I don't think I can handle pink and blue for Christmas, but someone can. Look at this incredible village. It just goes on and on. How many buildings and the trees and the little people. Really cool. There's some skaters in this one, and sledders, I guess, in the front. And there's a train, but it's not working. Found the area with nativities. I'll show you just a few. I think someone got their Cricut out and made this blocky one. Nativity inside of a little egg. Moving on to centerpieces, take a look at this container. I've seen them everywhere. I think I really like these centerpieces. Just beautiful. This is a Ukrainian Christmas Eve. I like the design on this one. Traditional icing decorations. This one's got a lot going on. Gingerbread man, reindeer, snowman, big old shredded wheat roof. I think these would be hard to transport. Yesterday, one of the events they had was a Lego building competition. And so here are some of the entries. This one is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. The rest of them are pretty Christmassy. They all have Christmassy somewhere in the theme. This one's called The Nutcracker Land of Sweets. One last look at the Atlanta Glass Art Guild tree. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find a way to give back this holiday season.